Did you know that not eating might actually help you feel better, think clearer, and even live longer? This isn't some new trendy kale cleanse or a wild gimmick involving moonlight and essential oils. We're talking about something your body already knows how to do. Water fasting. Yep, just you and good old H2O. And before you run off thinking, no way I can survive without food, hang tight. Now imagine this. You wake up feeling light, not sluggish, not bloated, not reaching for coffee like it's life support. Your brain isn't foggy, it's on. You feel calm, focused, like your thoughts finally have room to breathe. That's not fantasy. That's your body in fasting mode. So here's the science in a digestible, no lab coat required kind of way. When you water fast, typically after 12 to 18 hours of not eating, your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat. This is called ketosis, and it's like switching from running on gas to clean solar energy. Fat is a more efficient, longer-lasting fuel source. You're not just losing weight, you're optimizing your entire metabolic system, and the benefits don't stop there. Around the 24-hour mark, something fascinating happens. Autophagy kicks in. It's a Nobel Prize-winning discovery. Your cells start cleaning house. They break down damaged components, recycle what they can, and flush out the junk. It's like your body Marie Kondoing itself, saying goodbye to what no longer sparks joy, or, serves any useful biological function. And look, I get it. The idea of not eating sounds uncomfortable at first. But what if I told you that fasting actually reduces hunger hormones like ghrelin after a while? Your appetite quiets down. You stop thinking about your next meal every 5 minutes. It's surprisingly peaceful. And that space, where food stops dominating your thoughts, can open up mental clarity like you've never experienced before. And here's the kicker. Fasting isn't just good for your body. It's a game changer for your mind. Studies show it increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is basically fertilizer for your brain cells. People report feeling calmer, more resilient, even more emotionally stable during fasts. I've heard people say they finally felt in sync with themselves, like their mind and body were speaking the same language again. Oh, and if you're thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but what's the catch? Don't worry. In just a minute, I'll share a couple of bonus tips that will seriously help you ease into fasting without turning into a hangry gremlin. But back to the emotional side of this. Fasting teaches you patience, presence, control. In a world that's constantly telling you to consume more food, more caffeine, more screen time, fasting invites you to pause, to reconnect. It's a quiet rebellion against the chaos of modern life. And in that stillness, something beautiful happens. You start to feel empowered. You're not at the mercy of cravings or habits. You're in the driver's seat. Physically, the benefits keep stacking. Fasting can reduce inflammation. It lowers insulin levels, which is huge for anyone struggling with blood sugar issues. It can support heart health by improving blood pressure and cholesterol. There's even early research suggesting it might slow aging by protecting your DNA. That's right, fasting might help you age better. I mean, who doesn't want to upgrade their biological software? Now you might be wondering, how long should you fast? Great question. There's no one-size-fits-all. Some people start with 16 hours. Others go for 24 or even longer under medical supervision. The key is to listen to your body. Start small. Hydrate. Don't push through if something feels off. This isn't a test of willpower. It's about tuning in. It's time for those bonus tips I promised. First one, electrolytes. If you're drinking only water and you start to feel tired or get a headache, you might just need a pinch of sea salt or a little electrolyte mix. It's a total game changer. Second tip, keep busy. The worst thing you can do is sit around thinking about food. Read, walk, journal, build a pillow fort, live your life. And third, and this one's more of a mindset shift, don't see fasting as deprivation. See it as intention. You're not starving yourself. You're giving your body a chance to reset, to repair, to thrive. By now, maybe you're a little curious, maybe even inspired. And maybe the idea of going a few hours without food doesn't sound like torture, but like a gift. So if you're even a little bit intrigued, try it. Start slow, skip breakfast, push lunch. See how your body responds. You might be surprised by how much energy you actually have. And hey, come back and let me know how it went. If you found this helpful or even mildly fascinating, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. And if you want more mind-body hacks that actually make sense, consider subscribing. So the next time you think you need a snack, maybe what you really need is space and water and a little faith in your body. You're stronger and more adaptable than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.